I was so tired and pissed off with the boring french fries that I tried this new version of french fries. Let's see how to make this delicious french fries. Cut the potatoes in a french fry shape with minimal wastage. After completing with the cutting, we will blanch the potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes in medium high flame. After the blanching, take it out. I'm using here a plate which is covered with a layer of cloth, fresh clean cloth. Put all the potatoes and spread them and let it to get cool. After it gets cool, coat it with corn flour of 1.5 teaspoon. Mix them really nice. This will create a coating. Pour some refined oil. We will need it for deep frying. Let the oil to be too much heated up and put one after one the potatoes. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes in high flame. This is the first fry we are doing. After completing the frying, take it out, cool it down. As you can see, it's getting a light color. After a few while, do the second frying for 3 minutes in medium high flame. I am using here a earthen plate just to soak the oils. Can you hear how crunchy they are? Now we will start with the second phase of this recipe. Heat 2 teaspoons of butter in a pan. Add 2.5 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. We need to cook them for 2 minutes in medium high flame. Because the butter may burn if you are not keeping the flame medium. Once the garlic is done, add the previously fried potatoes, the french fries, and we need to mix them nicely, or you can toss it. Add half teaspoon of dried herbs. You can easily get it to any supermarket. Mix them nicely, and our potato is done. Serve it with mayonnaise or cocktail sauce or maybe Thousand Island sauce and enjoy.